Hi, and welcome to another session of Business Studies for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath sir. Our journey towards case studies will go on. It will be a never-ending session, or it will be a never-ending saga of an untold story, because case studies form a very vital part of the entire syllabus of CBSE curriculum. So in order to score your marks, you need to understand your concepts clearly, and then you should be able to understand the case studies more easily and answer them well. So today we take up a chapter known as planning and do the case studies on that basis, because on the earlier basis I had explained the chapter to you, and now we shall go ahead doing the case studies. Ramanand Enterprises offers a maximum discount of 5% to the customers if the order exceeds rupees 10 lakhs. Mr. Vinayak, an old customer, asks for a discount of 6% for an order of rupees 1 crore since another supplier was offering this discount. The manager could not accept this request of Vinayak since the company plans do not allow him to change any prescribed rules. The company could not get the order, hence suffered loss. My question 1 is, what was the problem in accepting the order of Mr. Vinayak? Basically, the company plans did not give flexibility to the manager to increase the discount. So the flexibility aspect was not there in this particular plan. What problem the company faced in this case? The company, of course, faced the rigidity in planning. They should have thought about this when they were putting down the discount rates and give a little bit of more flexibility, whereby they would have gained much more. How could this situation be tackled? Of course, it can be tackled by giving flexibility to the manager so that they can cope up with the new situation. Okay? Always new situations will arise. Always new situations are there to be tackled, and it will be different from old situations. That's why it's known as a new situation. So the manager should be given a little bit of flexibility whereby which the company will benefit at large. Imagine a huge order of 1 crore and they are refusing 1% more. Okay, that would have been a very negligible amount if you go into, and the amount which they would have got is much more. Okay, so we would term this a little bit of foolishness on the part of the management. They should have taken care of this aspect. I go to the next part and the next case study. Gujarat Electronics plan to increase its sales by 20% in the coming year. It so happened that the new technology entered a market and a competitor offered low-cost products in the same segment. These two factors have a negative effect on the sales, and the company is not able to face to the new situation. So two important things have happened, two important things have developed, whereby which new technology has come, plus someone has offered them in the market the price is lesser than their price. Which managerial function is referred above? Of course, the function of planning is referred. Should this company continue with the same plans? No. The company should not continue with the same plans, because they are now at a fix. They have to tackle both the issues. Which limitation of managerial action is reflected in the above case? The limitation that planning may not work in a dynamic situation is highlighted in the above case. The business environment, such as the economic environment and social environment, legal, political, okay, so on, go on changing from time to time. A business unit has to cope with the changing environment and adjust as per the plans of the new situation. So they have to take care of the new situation and adjust. Fine. So this was your case study number 2. Let's go to case study number 3. Rahul, a worker, was given a target of assembling 2 computers a day. Due to his habit of doing things differently, example, an idea struck him that which would not only reduce the assembling line of computer but also reduce the cost of production of the computers. Raoul's supervisor, instead of appreciating him, ordered him to complete the work as per the methods and the techniques decided earlier, as nothing could be changed at that stage. The above para describes one of the limitations of planning function. Name and explain the limitation. So in this, the limitation that planning reduces creativity. Okay, that is taken into account because they are not allowing Raoul to become innovative, they are not allowing Raoul to become creative. Planning involves determination of policies, procedures, programs in advance. Once these things are decided, then deviations are not allowed because they also have certain criteria. They also have to see that their norms and conditions are adhered to. The employees do not get the opportunity to show their creativity and the skills in taking up some tasks. They are strictly told to follow the procedures and the rules as decided by the management. Even the change in circumstances is not considered. Now look, in this situation, if that change would have occurred, Rao would have made a breakthrough, then the company would have benefited. But because of the rigidity, because of the lack of creativity, okay, which is the planning is reducing creativity, we can see that the organization is not going to go forward. Okay, so this was your case study number 3, okay, which tells us the fact that planning reduces creativity. Let's go to the next case study where a company is manufacturing garments. The manager wants to increase the profits, one, by purchasing new high-speed machines, or by increasing the sale price, or by using waste material in manufacturing stuffed toys. Okay, he decided that using material to increase the profit is the best solution for him. Identify the concept of management involved and name the 3 steps in the above process. Of course, the concept of planning is involved because he is deciding what to do. The steps involved is identification of alternative course of action. B, the alternative course of action will be evaluated and then the alternative course will be selected. So these are the steps which are involved in the above process. Okay, so we go further and touch upon a few more case studies where we will learn a little bit of more of planning on the whole. And this is important for the fact that it will enrich your knowledge and also adapt to the changing patterns of the paper. Okay, now these are not important case studies, but we are just going through this a little bit quickly. Name the type of plan which is involved in the form of general statements that guides thinking towards a particular direction and helps in solving routine problems. Okay, this is policy because you have to follow it. Name the type of plan which tells what is to be done and what is not to be done. These are rules, okay, which have to be adhered to. Give the meaning of program as a type of plan. Program is a sequence of activities designed to implement policies and to achieve activities, okay, and to achieve the course of action too. So this is the meaning of the word program. Which type of plan is highlighted in each of the following statements? Company follows a practice of hiring employees who are above 18 years of age. This is a policy. Alcohol is not permitted within the premises of the enterprise. These are rules. 5% of the job is reserved for handicapped persons in the office. This is a policy. A discount of 12% will be offered to all the customers who are buying goods above rupees 5,000. So this would be regarded as policy again. It provides a prescribed manner in which a task is to be performed. That is a rule. A company follows sequential steps to purchase goods. These are procedures because you are going in a line. It facilitates comparison of actual results with the results with a planned manner. This is a budget. They are the ends which the management seeks to achieve through its operations. These are objectives. Okay, so these are certain things which you need to know, which you need to put forward, and which you need to evaluate on the way you are answering the question. And as I told you, case studies become a very important factor, and it is very much necessary that you understand these type of case studies in a very methodical manner. We go to one other case study where Rajesh, the manager of the personnel department, informs his subordinates that the company has decided not to employ any person who is less than 18 years. Rajesh also assigns duty, authority, and creates accountability of the person to whom this work is to be handed over. Number 1, name the type of plans highlighted in the given situation by quoting the lines from the question. Number 2, also identify the process which Rajesh assigns duties, authorities, and creates accountability. Number 1, which are the type of plans? It is policy, which informs that the subordinates are have to be over the age of 18 years. Okay, next is delegation of authority, because he is assigning the duty, authority, and creating the creating accountability after giving the authority. Okay. In Chak De India, Shah Rukh Khan becomes the coach of the Indian women hockey team. He prepares the girls for international hockey matches and brings the World Cup after winning the championship. He prepares a long-term plan and thinks of ways of winning the matches. He coaches the girls to play at different places. In the beginning of every match, he explains who will open the match and how the ball will be passed from one player to the other. Identify the 4 types of plans that are highlighted in the above by quoting the line. Number 1, objective. Why? He is going to bring the championship. He is going to bring the cup, the World Cup. Strategy. He prepares the matches. Okay, he prepares the matches. Method. He coaches. Okay. Procedure. In the beginning, one player to the other. Okay. The passing is a very important aspect in hockey. Okay, and this works out in a very fine manner. Okay, let's go to one more case study after this. A company manufacturing air conditioners faces the problem of declining market share due to competition from existing and new players. The competitors have introduced improved technology in production which reduce in saving power in running the air conditioners. This reduces the power bills. The company decides to introduce more advanced technology in the manufacturing process. The new models of ACs will be introduced for different income groups. The company decides to raise rupees 10 crore from a bank for this purpose. Name the type of plan the company is preparing. State the steps which the company follows to implement the plan, quoting the lines for the above problem. Number 1, the new plan which is adapted is strategy. What are the steps to implement the plan? First, determine the long-term objectives. That means new models will be introduced to the different income groups. Third is adapting to the course of action. They decide to introduce more advanced technology in manufacturing process. Next, allocating resources to achieve the objective. That is, the company decides to raise a sum of rupees 10 crores from a bank for this purpose. Okay, so we take up one more case study here. In the movie Dangal, Aamir Khan plays the role of Mahavir Singh Bhogat, a national level champion in wrestling. He trains and develops his 2 daughters Geeta and Babita for fighting in the wrestling ring on the national and international contest. He makes a long-term plan for his daughters to win the medals at Olympics, Commonwealth and Asian Games. He trains his daughters to beat the opponents in the ring. All this hard work gives a result to Geeta and Babita in form of winning medals in the national and international matches. Identify all the types of plans which are stated in the above paragraph. The various types of plans which are stated in the above paragraph are objective, strategy, procedure, methods and rules. Okay, so this is there in in his course of action. Objective, strategy, procedure, methods and rules. Let's go to one more case study. Swatantra Gas Limited offered free refill pack on purchase of every Goodnight liquid machine to counter offer Godrej, its competitor. Johnson Company introduced a new combo offer in All Out. It creates a new marketing war in between these two countries to cover a major market share. Identify the plan which is mentioned in the above paragraph. The plan which is mentioned in the above paragraph is strategy, because they are trying to win over a market share. Okay, this and much more. Please go through these case studies in a very methodical manner and understand it. This is Vishwanath sir signing off. Thank you so much.